Hey everyone, Dr. Tom here. Bad news, my 2 upcoming talks that I scheduled were on dates that almost everybody's schedule is conflicted with. So the good news is we still have spots available. So we have 2 of these coming up. Very quickly, give me 2 minutes because I know so many of you, if you choose to come to this, you will be so incredibly pumped up that you did and so glad and inspired and have a totally different level of knowledge. So very quickly, what is this about? Our healthcare system is full of fads. You remember Icy Hot? It cured everybody's arthritis in their knee. But guess what it didn't cure? Their arthritis in their knee. So then CBD came into play. I remember a talk probably 5 years ago. I told everybody CBD is not the answer. And I had people almost walk out, right? Because it cured their knee pain. Well, guess what? Didn't get rid of the arthritis. In the last year, CBD has dropped sales in 20% with the creams and lotions. And I'm not putting it down, right? But it was a therapy. What are the hot things now? Red light therapy, and cold plunging. Now, don't get mad at me. Cold plunging was a thing in the past, okay? Trends come back around, and it's a great thing. It has its place. But here's the deal, is these are fads that we go through. People get excited, spend money, and then your tub ends up being back in the, actually outside, not even in the shed, and it's just sitting outside, right? So this talk is for that exact reason. In a world full of short-term therapies, what are the truths, laws and truths of health that were true 100 years ago are still true today and will be true 100 years from now? Not just about how we feel in this moment, but about keeping us healthy and keeping our quality of life high for as long as we live. That's what this talk is about. Truths, laws. You're going to leave inspired. You're going to have clarity as far as okay, what are the most important things I need to devote my time and my money to in order to have long-term health? So that's what the talk is about. Tuesday, February 27th. That's literally next Tuesday, and Monday, March 4th, 6 to 7 p.m. We have spots available for both days. Text back, bring a friend, bring a family member, bring somebody who has no hope. Bring that person, because they're going to leave with hope and clarity in what they can do to avoid this inevitable downslide that they've been on for so long. So text back. I'll see you then. Rock your day.